What's up, guys? So getting that on the go, and to remove all the debris, we got the four-wheeler running, the nice Kawasaki there. I can't remember what size it is. This thing's a monster though. That was a D10 750. So we're getting the deck out, got a good portion of the railings off and everything like that, getting that loaded up. Finally got the quad running again, so I'm gonna get this unloaded and get this. Is my boss Jay. We're out here working together doing this. He's got to go for a run soon, and then I'll be taking over with the chainsaw, but I'm going to go unload the four-wheeler right now. So we got the trailer on all this, plus the rest of the deck, and which I've got to go and start ripping some more up to load up and bring over here. Apologize about the shot on the gator yesterday. I didn't realize my finger was like in front of the camera kind of like that and like pointing down, so I apologize for that. But in case you're wondering, this is a V-Twin 750 fuel-injected Kawasaki brute force quad. It's had a little issue with the relays. It doesn't want to start sometimes. It's because they're a little old. Okay, so the four-wheeler, it'll start and it'll run, and then we shut it off and try to start again. It gets temperamental. It doesn't want to start. You take the relays out and mess about with them, and it'll start again, and then it'll do the same thing again, and it's just more of a headache than it's worth. So we're gonna get the gator back out. Sorry about that, the camera. And sorry guys, I don't know what's going on with my camera there. I keep trying to start recording and it keeps stopping. I don't know if it's my battery dead. No, 75%. Can't be on full memory. We in neutral, yes. Boom. Alright. Let's go. There we go. Alright. Sorry about yesterday, guys. Get a better shot this time. Well, it's coming along. Got most of it all ripped out now. Got almost all of it packed up or put away over by the fire pit. Just getting the last little bit of this all loaded up into the gator. We're gonna come back over here. We're gonna rake up all the debris, and then we're gonna take a lot of this dirt out of here so we can level it out properly before we start throwing in some stone at a later date. So, anyways, I'm gonna continue on filling this bad boy up, and then get over and unload her and continue on with the workday. Yeah, so just in case anybody's wondering what I do for a living every day now, this is not my actual job. This is my boss's place and boss's property. This is where I come to work on the weekends or when we got the kids. And right side, I don't know if you can see in the background over there, we got his kids and my kids over there on the playground. You can see them over there. I'll show you Tara and the kids in a minute. So this is where I'm up here working when I'm not on an official job site. We got lots and lots of work to do out here on the property, so I can keep busy all summer, even if I didn't have a job on an official job. But it's all for the right cause, guys. Because I need to obviously get back to work and make a living, but also now I can help build my channel up. So I'm gonna get back to her and continue on with the day. Tomorrow we go to London to an actual job site. Not to say that I'm saying it like that's, I would say it's a new thing to go to an actual job site. It's just tomorrow's Monday. It's the start of an actual work week, and this is my weekend job. So, anyways, I'm going to fire this bad boy up. All right, we'll see you now that I'm on the gator again. We'll see if I can get an actual video here without me having my finger in the way and without it being down like this at the ground the whole time. All right. So yeah, there's the kids over there. That's mine and my daughter and Jay's kids. Well, a couple of his kids anyways. Hey baby. Dad should bring you to work more often on the weekends. You want to go for a ride in a minute? Yeah? Alright. Alright, I'm just going to get this unloaded, guys. And I'll go show you the new toy I got us. Alright. Oh, hold it up, please. Don't just point it out here. What's up, guys? Give Tara a little ride in the gator's never been on one before. Alright, I'm going to go slow. Hold on. There's a handle here if you need it, but I'll go slow. Alrighty guys, well pretty much done for the day. Just gonna go and put the gator away. Gonna put the four-wheeler away after. So just gonna go and do that real quick. That's a good decent little day. Only worked till about 3:30, but that's alright, it's just Sunday. Okay, let's see how my backup skills are. I don't have a trailer on this thing, so. Perfect. Yeah. Guys, I'll make sure I get this posted up on Facebook and Facebook and YouTube, so you guys can see what I'm sort of doing with my day during the day. So I won't be doing a lot of unboxings during the day because I'll be working now. So I do have a brand new truck at home I still got to do an unboxing with. So I'll be leaving here today. I'll get this all closed up, go back home, and I might end up doing that today. So if you're not subscribed, guys, go ahead and get yourself subscribed, like and share, leave a comment, and if you do want to make sure you see the next video, make sure you get subscribed so you can hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next one. Stay safe, happy bashing, everybody.